second part of this video of this chapter, that is subtraction. And for today our topic is without subtracting fill in the blanks. And children, how you will do this question? Before that you should have the knowledge about the properties of subtraction. There are two main properties, children, according to which you can solve this question. I'll tell you. The first one is when a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is always zero. When we subtract a number from the same number, itself means from the same number. 5 minus 5, 0. There are 5 persons in a room and 5 went away. So how many left? 0. Okay, no one left. So in this way, according to this property, I have given you these 4 questions. Look at this. So we will not subtract, children, on the side, and we will see what will be the answer. Simple. When same number we are subtracting, 33 minus, sign of minus is there. Okay, 33 minus 33, it will be 0. 89 minus 89, it will be 0. Now if Philip is going to change the place, no problem. We will read the question properly, then we will just think 191 minus what, that answer will be 0. When we subtract a number from the number itself. So number, how much long is the number? We have no problem, children. When we know the property, the number, when it will be subtracted from itself, answer will be 0. In the same way, Philip minus 325 is equal to 0. What will come here? Of course, when we subtract a number from number, only then we will get 0. Okay, children. Now second property is when 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is always number itself. When we subtract a 0 from a number, for example, in a room there are 5 persons and no one went. Okay, so how many persons are there? Of course 5 are there only. 0 means nothing. So what is the property? When 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is always the number itself. 79 minus 0. No need to check the subtraction. Simple. Yes. It will be 0. Now we change the place of Philip. No problem. 925 minus what, that we will get the same number. Of course 0. What we have to subtract it from 0 that we will get 235? Of course the same number. The same number will come here in this Philip, 235. Okay. Now in the same way, next 85 minus what, that we will get 85? Of course 0. Okay, children, I hope it's clear to you. Yes, children, with this I want to tell you one more important thing, that is you have to keep it in mind in subtraction, that children, in addition we have told you whether we will change the place, there will be no change in the answer. For example, in addition we have told you if question will be 3 plus 2, answer was 5. Answer is 5. If 2 plus 3 we will change the place, answer will remain the 5 only. But children, in subtraction, this is the main property of subtraction, that we cannot change the order of number. Okay, it's very important. Why, children? Look at this. We cannot change the order of digits in subtraction. How? Of course, we have to subtract the smaller number from the bigger. 5 minus 4. Then we will get 1. How we can subtract 4 from 5? How we can subtract 5 from 4? Can we subtract 4 minus 5? No. For this we have to borrow, but there is no number at the tens place. So this is wrong. Okay, children, this is the main one more thing I want to tell you. I hope the topic is clear to you. If you like my channel, kindly subscribe it. Thank you.